Types of blockchain explain. There are several types of blockchains, each with its unique features and characteristics. Here are some of the most common types of blockchains. Public blockchain. A public blockchain is open to anyone who wants to participate in the network. It is decentralized, meaning that no single entity controls the network. Bitcoin is an example of a public blockchain. Private blockchain. A private blockchain is operated by a single entity or a group of entities. It is not open to the public, and only authorized participants can join the network. Private blockchains are commonly used in enterprises for internal communication and collaboration. Consortium blockchain. A consortium blockchain is a hybrid of public and private blockchains. It is a permissioned network where a group of organizations controls the network. Members of the consortium can participate in the network, and all transactions are verified and validated by the consortium members. Hybrid blockchain. A hybrid blockchain combines elements of public and private blockchains. It allows for the public verification of transactions while keeping some data private. This type of blockchain is useful in situations where some data needs to be kept confidential while still ensuring transparency and security. Federated blockchain. A federated blockchain is similar to a consortium blockchain in that it is operated by a group of organizations. However, in a federated blockchain, the network is controlled by a smaller group of pre-selected nodes, which makes it more centralized than a consortium blockchain. Each type of blockchain has its advantages and disadvantages, and the choice of blockchain type depends on the specific use case and requirements. Sidechain. A sidechain is a separate blockchain that is attached to an existing blockchain, known as the main chain. The purpose of a sidechain is to allow for the creation of new applications and functionalities without affecting the main chain. Sidechains can be public or private and are useful in situations where scalability or privacy is a concern. Permissioned blockchain. A permissioned blockchain requires participants to be authorized before they can join the network. This type of blockchain is commonly used in enterprise settings and can be used for a wide range of applications, including supply chain management, voting systems, and financial transactions. Proof of work blockchain. Proof of work (POW) blockchains use a consensus mechanism that requires participants to solve complex mathematical equations in order to validate transactions. POW is the most common consensus mechanism used in public blockchains and is used in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Proof of stake blockchain. Proof of stake (POS) blockchains use a consensus mechanism that requires participants to stake their own cryptocurrency as collateral in order to validate transactions. POS is more energy efficient than POW and is used in several popular cryptocurrencies, including Cardano and Polkadot. These are some of the most common types of blockchains, and each has its own unique features and characteristics. It is important to choose the right type of blockchain for your specific use case and requirements to ensure the best possible outcome.